What would happen if parents stepped back for a moment during the sometimes busy, stressful, chaotic mealtime prep and invited their children to join them? What if families used this time for sneaky, fun learning in the kitchen? Believe it or not, with very little effort or preparation, kids can learn a lot in the kitchen, specifically many important math and reading skills. All they need is an invitation in. Ollie, will you put this on the drying rack? On it. Put them in the second drawer from the top. Underneath the silverware drawer. Bugs in a log. Can you find a recipe for bugs in a log? We're going to make bugs in a log, and this is what we will need. 4 pieces of
celery.
Good, we've got that there. Which one is the peanut butter? You got it. 20 peanuts. We've got our nuts right there, and 15 raisins, and the raisins are right there. So let's see what the first step says. Put a small spoonful of peanut butter on, and it says stick 4 to 6 nuts or raisins in a row on top of the peanut butter. You want to do that for me? Okay, go ahead.
Yes. Here's a big one.
A big bug. Good. Looks good. You want to do that one for me? Okay.
Eat and enjoy.
I guess we can. Even simple things like the way kids put cupcake liners in cupcake pans and then fill them with batter can help develop these literacy skills if they go from left to right, row by row, like the left-right return sweep of reading. This video was created as part of a partnership with KinderCare Education, who is partnering with First Book and Reach Out and Read DC to help break the cycle of illiteracy in the DC region. In Washington, D.C., it's important that organizations like these work together to make sure students have the tools to thrive. KinderCare Learning Centers make it their passion to nurture a sense of joy and wonder in every child, every day, at every one of their centers. As the nation's leading private provider in accredited early childhood education, KinderCare Learning Centers are committed to delivering the highest quality childcare and educational opportunities for families and the dedicated professionals who serve them. To learn more, visit the link below.